Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to second PUC statistics online classes. In the previous class we had discussed about how to construct C chart in standards given case. In this class we are going to discuss how to construct C chart in standards not given case. Let's start. Problem number 9, that is, following are the number of defects observed in cotton blankets passing from the process. Construct the control chart for number of defects, and here observations are given, that is blanket numbers. So here there are 8 numbers are given and here number of defects. See here blanket number is nothing but that is sample numbers or subgroup numbers, and one more observation, number of defects. See, this problem is based on number of defects. In the sense what, this is C chart. So in the solution part, this problem is based on number of defects in the sense that is C chart. And see here the next further informations are not given. We need to find out using these observations. Therefore, this is standards not given or standards are unknown. So this problem is based on C chart of standards are unknown. Next, I will write control limits of C chart. So we know that there are 3 control limits are there. First one is center line, lower control limit and upper control limit. To calculate central line of C chart in standards are not known or standards are not given, the formula is C bar. Like that, to calculate lower control limit of C chart in standards are not given case, the formula is C bar minus 3 into square root of C bar. Like that, to calculate upper control limit of C chart in standards are not given or standards are unknown, the formula is C bar plus 3 into square root of C bar. See here, based on this formula we need to find C bar. What is C bar? See, to calculate C bar we using the formula, that is C bar is equal to summation C divided by K. So K in the sense what, that is sample number. See, I already told blanket number in the sense what, that is sample number. There are 8 blanket numbers are there. So this is subgroup number also. So K in the sense what, that is 8. So that I will write here K is equal to 8. Okay, next, based on this formula we need to find sum of C. So C in the sense what, C is nothing but that is number of defects. So how to find out summation C, that is total of these defectives. So we need to find sum of C. So how to find out total of this, that is 1 plus 6 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3, that value is 30. So sum of C is 30. So this is equal to total number of defectives are 30. So in the place of sum of C I will substitute 30 divided by K is 8. So in the place of K I will substitute 8. So this is equal to 30 divided by 80. So that is 3.75. So here we got what is C bar. C bar value is 3.78. Okay, now I will substitute this value under this formula. See, to calculate central line of C chart in standards are not known, unknown, the formula is C bar. So C bar value is 3.75. So next, to calculate lower control limit of C chart in standards are not known or standards are unknown, the formula is C bar minus 3 into square root of C bar. So this is equal to C bar value is 3.75 minus 3 into square root of C bar. So C bar is 3.75. So this is equal to, or I will write here, so this is equal to 3.75 minus, this is, first I will solve this, that is square root of 3.75, that is 1.936 into 3, that is 5.809. Now 3.75 minus 5.809, that is minus 2.059. See, this is negative value. So here negative value taken as 0. So because number of defects cannot be negative, therefore this negative value be considered as 0. Okay, next, to calculate upper control limit of C chart, in standards are unknown, the formula is C bar plus 3 into square root of C bar. So C bar is here 3.75 plus 3 into square root of 3.75. So this is equal to 3.75 plus 3 into square root of 3.75 is 5.809. So this is equal to 3.75 plus 5.809, that is 9.559. Okay, these are the control limits of C chart in standards are not known, unknown. Okay, next, now I will construct C chart for this observation. Okay, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So here x-axis along with blanket number, and here y-axis along with number of defects. And see, here blanket numbers are like this, therefore I will take the scale. So here origin is 0 and the scale is here 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Therefore I will write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And here number of defects observations are like this. So we know that here y-axis along with number of defects, therefore I will write scale for y-axis, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. So that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, I will stop here. Next, now I will draw this control limits. See, central line value is 3.75. So 3 comes here, 3.75 comes here. So this is central line. I will draw on horizontal line like this. This is central line. Okay, next, to here lower control limit value is 0. So 0 is origin. Therefore here x-axis takes itself as lower control limit. Next, upper control limit value is 9.589. Yeah, 9.559. So that value comes here. So here I will draw on horizontal line like this. This is upper control limit. Now I will plot these points on this graph. See the first blanket number. Now that is 1. So 1 is here. Blanket number 1 is here. The number of defects. So these are number of defects. So that number of defect is 1. So here it is 2. In the sense what? Here it is 1. Therefore here I will put mark. Next, blanket number 2 is here. The number of defects are 6. Number of defects is 6. 6 is here. That corresponding place is here. So here I will put one mark like this. Next, blanket number 3. That corresponding number of defects are 5. So 5. See here 6 is there and here 4 is there and 5 will come here. So this corresponding place is here and here I will put one mark like this. Next, 4 and 7. 4 is here. 7 in between of these two values. So that is here. That corresponding place is here. Here I will put one mark. Next, 4 is over. Next, 5. Blanket number 5. And number of defect is also 5. So 5 is here, blanket number, and number of defects 5 comes in between of 6 and 4, that is here. That corresponding place is here. Here I will put one mark. Next, 6 and 2. So blanket number 6 is here. number of defect 2 is here, that corresponding place is here. Next 7 and 1, say 7 is here, so 1 comes in between of 0 and 2, so 1 is here, that corresponding place is here. Next 8 and 3, so blanket number is 8, the number of defect is 3, so 3 comes in between of 4 and 2, so here. These are the sample points. Now I will join these points with the help of straight line like this. Like this. See here all the sample points inside the control limit. See, this is upper control limit and this is lower control limits, and sample points inside the control limits. Therefore, production process under control. Therefore, I will write the conclusion like this. See here in the graph, this is C chart, and you have to write the scale also. For x axis, one centimeter is equal to 1 unit, and for y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Okay, the conclusion, in the above graph or in the above chart, in the above C chart, all the points lie inside the control chart. Therefore, production process under control. Okay, this is all about C chart, construction of C chart in Sanders are not given case. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.